Ciao a tutti! Hello everyone! Welcome to Fly High, where you're gonna be flying high in language learning with me, Francesca. In this lesson, we'll be looking at part 2 of the most popular irregular verbs in Italian. Let's explore them together. Verbi irregolari più comuni al presente. Part 2. Most popular Italian irregular verbs in the present tense. Let's have a look at them. Volere. Volere is the infinitive of to want. Volere. Io voglio. Io voglio. I want. Tu vuoi. Tu vuoi. You want. Lui vuole. Lui vuole. He wants. Lei vuole. Lei vuole. She wants. Noi vogliamo. Noi vogliamo. We want. Voi volete. Voi volete. You want. Loro vogliono. Loro vogliono. They want. Now, let's have a look at a few examples here. Cosa vuoi? What do you want? Cosa vuoi? Non voglio niente. Non voglio niente. I don't want anything. Carla vuole dormire tutto il giorno. Carla vuole dormire tutto il giorno. Carla wants to sleep all day. Vogliamo solo partire. Vogliamo solo partire. We just want to leave. Volete del tè? Volete del tè? Do you want some tea? Non vogliono dire la verità. Non vogliono dire la verità. They don't want to tell the truth. So you see here I put like an example for each of the persons, and it's going to be this way for the other verbs as well, so that you can see how they all conjugate in sentences. And now on to verb number 2 for today, potere. Potere in English is a modo, is can translate as can or to be able to in Italian. Potere. Potere. Io posso, I can or I am able to. Tu puoi, you can. Lui può, he can. Lei può, she can. Noi possiamo, we can. Voi potete, you can. And loro possono, they can. And now some examples here. Posso fare quello che voglio. Posso fare quello che voglio. I can do what I want. Puoi lavare i piatti stasera? Puoi lavare i piatti stasera? Can you wash the dishes tonight? Lavare i piatti is to wash the dishes. Si salvi chi può. Si salvi chi può. Every man for himself. And literally it translates as let whoever can be saved. Ok, si salvi chi può. For non ne possiamo più. We can take no more. Ok, non ne possiamo più. This is an expression here. So non poterne più is the infinitive. So non poterne più means can take any more than, can take no more. Number 5. Potete parlare più lentamente, per favore? This is a useful question, especially if you are like just getting started with Italian and you might be following classes, and so you might want to ask teachers to, just speak a little bit more slowly, please. Or even you are like, let's say, in the streets or something, like you're visiting some Italian city and you ask someone, maybe it's a little bit outdated actually too, everybody's got Google Maps on their phones, but you ask someone what their route to somewhere is, and they speak a little bit too fast in Italian, and then you go, potete parlare più lentamente, per favore? So can you speak more slowly, please? That way they can explain a little bit more slowly. And number 6, Matteo e Sara possono uscire la sera. Matteo e Sara possono uscire la sera. Matteo and Sarah can go out at night. And now we got dovere. Dovere in Italian is the verb that in English translates as must or have to. Dovere. So it goes like this. Io devo, I must, or I have to. It all depends on, basically in English, there's actually difference in usage between must and have to. In Italian, we don't really have that difference. So wherever we have to say the must or have to, we say dovere, okay? So it's simpler, really. Io devo, tu devi, you must or you have to. Lui deve, he must, he has to. Lei deve, she must, she has to. Noi dobbiamo, we must, we have to. Voi dovete, you must or you have to for the plural. E loro devono, they must, they have to. Now, examples. 1. Devo dirti una cosa. I must tell you something. 2. Devi proprio andare via? Do you really have to leave? 3. Mia sorella deve andare dal dentista. My sister has to go to the dentist. 4. Dobbiamo essere coraggiosi. We must be courageous. 5. Non dovete preoccuparvi. You don't have to worry. And number 6. Tutti i lavoratori devono pagare le tasse. All workers must pay taxes. And and then we have sapere. Sapere is to know. Io so, I know. Tu sai, you know. Lui sa, he knows. Lei sa, she knows. Noi sappiamo, we know. Voi sapete, you know. E loro sanno, they know. And some examples here. Sai usare questo software? Do you know how to use this software? Non lo so. I don't know. Non lo so is the expression. Whenever you have to say I don't know, you go non lo so. That literally translates as I don't know it. That lo stands for it. but you know, it just translates as I don't know. I don't know it. I don't know. Non lo so. 3. Paolo non sa di che cosa sta parlando. Paolo non sa di che cosa sta parlando. Paolo doesn't know what he's talking about. 4. Non sappiamo cosa dire. Non sappiamo cosa dire. We don't know what to say. 5. Sapete cosa sta succedendo? Sapete cosa sta succedendo? Do you know what is happening? And 6. Sanno come fare a risolvere il problema. Sanno come fare a risolvere il problema. They know how to do to solve the problem. And we have dire. Dire is translatable as to say or to tell in Italian. And it all depends obviously on context and the words as well being used in the sentence, as we will see in the examples afterwards. In any case, we got the conjugation here. So io dico, I say or I tell, tu dici, you say or you tell, lui dice, he says or he tells, lei dice, she says, she tells, noi diciamo, we say or we tell, voi dite, you say or you tell, and loro dicono, they say or they tell. And now on to the examples. Dici di sì o di no? Dici di sì o di no? Are you saying yes or no? Dire di sì, say yes, to say yes. Dire di no, to say no. So that's the expression. Number 2. Dico sempre quello che penso. Dico sempre quello che penso. I always say what I think. 3. Cosa dice il giornale? Cosa dice il giornale? What does the newspaper say? So il giornale, we actually say the newspaper says, it's the same way as in English really, which is quite funny really if you think about it. What does it, because it doesn't really speak the newspaper, more like it reports, but we say what does it say? Number 4. Diciamo la verità. We tell the truth. Dire la verità is to tell the truth. Number 5. Per favore non dite bugie. Please don't tell lies. Dire le bugie, to tell lies. And number 6. Dicono che domani pioverà. They say it will rain tomorrow. And yes, so this concludes the lesson. I really hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks again so much for watching. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao ciao!